Hi, so I will give a quick overview of the Delta Lead Management app. This app, in its current form, was originally designed for direct marketing over phone calls. Okay, so this is the start screen that the marketing executive will see on logging into the app. Here we have some data on the number of calls initiated, the number of people invited to the WhatsApp network, and the number of sale conversions. So the previous customer had categorized their leads into various stages. Stage 1 had those customers who had not been called so far. Stage 2 had customers who were called once and updated about the product and they were willing to be contacted again. Stage 3 had customers who needed to be called once more after stage 2. So we can change the logic behind these stages based on your business processes. The marketing executive can select the customer profile based on the stage from this screen and load their list. So next we move on to the customer list screen. Here we have the list of customers based on the stage selected from the previous screen. You can see customer cards over here. The customer card gives a quick glimpse of the info of each customer. Presently, we show the name, the age and gender of the customer, the product that they are interested in, and their chance of buying the product. We also have the option to sort these values based on customer name, product, last call date, and chance of buying. Marketing executives can sort the list and plan their calls accordingly. So from here, we select a customer and then go to the edit customer page. From this page, we can initiate the call by clicking on the call button. This will populate the number of the customer and you can start a call and then navigate back to the app to update the response. Once a call is picked, the caller can update the response and the app will populate the required fields. We can initially capture the personal information of the customer. Currently, we have fields to capture the age group and the gender of the customer. We can then select a product that they are interested in. We will have a list of products over here. And say if they are interested in something other than the current products, then we have an others option. We can select that and we can also note some notes regarding what products they might be interested in. Our previous client had a call again score field. This is for the caller to assess and mark whether the particular customer should be contacted again. We then also have a section to add comments if any. The marketing executive can note down points that are not captured via the other questions in this particular field. This information may be used in future conversations. Then we have a contact over WhatsApp question. So if the response is yes, we get an icon to send an SMS to the customer. Clicking on the icon will take us to the SMS app where a message will be populated with the customer's number and the customized message that we have over here. We can use this to ask them to add our contact on WhatsApp so as to receive notifications via our WhatsApp broadcast list, or to invite the customer to any of our social media pages. We then have a question to gauge their interest in buying. This info can be used in planning future calls. These are the fields that we have presently. We can change these fields based on your business processes.